my detailing family. I just lost a client due to the fact of, let's talk about it, y'all. Let's just talk about it. It's wild.
All right, Wayne, so what happened, bro?
All right, pretty much what happened was, whenever I go out to a car, whether it's clean, whether it's dirty, I have a set price, starting price, okay? Now I have a client that's been with me for some time. They got a new car.
Wait, months or years?
I would say coming up on a year. Yep. And they got a new Tesla, from a Honda to a Tesla. They said, it's not that dirty, it's not that dirty, all right? So when I hear not that dirty, I don't think quick. I think detail, regardless. It actually takes me a long time still to clean a clean car because I don't know whether I cleaned it or not, so I go over it again and again versus seeing something dirty and seeing it go from dirty to clean. So I wipe, I vacuum over and over, and I still take 1 hour and 30 minutes to knock out a clean car. As I go to clean his car, here's where I messed up too. I automatically assumed that he thought that it was gonna be the full price, new car. So as I get there, I let him know, hey, I wanted to let you know that it's gonna be full price. Maybe I could take the rap for that because I didn't do that before, but I let him know. And he automatically assumed it was gonna be the same price too. Actually, on the way there, I let him know. And on the way there, he didn't write back. 30 minutes go by, an hour goes by, I'm calling, looking for him at the business place. Where you at? We're out here. And another one of my clients walks out and sees me out there like, hey, I need a detail. So it actually worked out just fine. I ended up cleaning this car and anticipating meeting up with my other client. He never shows up, never writes. No, he sees my messages. I'm assuming that he didn't like the price and he felt like I should have taken care of it for the same price, maybe, who knows. 5 hours later, he writes, I don't need the detail anymore. Have a good day. That was literally his reply to all my messages, all my calls, is that right there. So I want to know how you guys would have handled it. Of course, I would say that I'm at fault. I'm gonna say this before y'all say it. I'm at fault for not saying that way in advance when he said he got a new car, okay? And let's get that out the window, all right? How would you guys have handled it? Would you guys have charged them the whole full price? Or would you have grandfathered him in? Or should they respect that it's a new car and you're gonna go above and beyond? I wanna know, same client, same price, or they get the, that discount price? Drop it down in the comments below. My man LA told me to make this video. And he said that he would keep it the same price himself. He said that he would charge them the full price. That's what he said. So I really sincerely want to know how you guys would go about it. I'm not just saying this just because I'm concrete with this. I want to know what's right and what's wrong. So let me know in the comments down below. Let's talk about it.
And now, how much was the maintenance price?
$85.
How much was the new price?
$185.
So $100 difference.
Yes, sir. So.
Hey, let me ask you something. Does that hurt, man, when you lost a client that's been with you for a year because of $100? How do you see that?
I'm gonna be honest, no disrespect, I didn't lose any sleep. I didn't fuss about it. Another client replaced it. I honestly, the way my business is growing right now, I see it as a lesson learned regardless, whether he was right or I was wrong. It's a lesson, and now I know how to go about it next time, anticipating dealing with the client that's been with me for some time. So let them know in advance. Oh, I just got an idea as I was thinking about that. All my recurring clients right now, I should send out a mass message saying, hey, if you guys get a new car, here's the pricing for this. The best I could do for this is you get $20 off. Or I hope that you guys can respect that I'm gonna go above and beyond and it's gonna be this full price. It's gonna be the same thing, just as if you were a new client and then you get the reoccurring price. So that's how I'm gonna go about it. I'm gonna start writing them now, Rez.
You got to, man. You
Let
got
them
to.
know. Or I can put it on my website. Or I don't know. What you guys think, man? This is how I think. I think about a whole bunch of different things. I sit down and I meditate on it, and then I make that move. All right, you guys, that's a wrap. Like I said before in the comments down below, let's learn from each other, grow as a team, as a family. You guys have a blessed day. May your business prosper for the kingdom of God. Peace.